Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Shroomie Pet does in Grow a Garden. Let me just catch this fairy. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to do this quest. Anyways, so a Shroomie, all nearby plants within 15 steads will have increased 0.05x size bonus for every fungus type plant in the player's garden. So it only works for for plants like mushrooms and like dusk pup. I think that's a type of fungus as well. But yeah, you obtain it by opening the chest, and it is super cute. So that is what the Shroomie does in Grow a Garden. If you did obtain it, it is a legendary pet. It wasn't super hard to obtain. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.